My sisters married sissy little boys. Each one makes a very different noise. One must do his wife's housework, the other one's a total jerk. This is not how it should be. What a dreadful family. It's not right, it seems to me. Anyone agree? Humiliation has seen her crumble. Her self-pride just took a tumble. She fell far below what's humble. Not once did she ever grumble. All that she could do was stumble. No one likes to see her bumble. With no direction she must fumble so pathetically. My sisters married sissy little boys. Each one makes a very different noise. One must vacuum all around, the other one's a total clown. This is not how it should be. What an awful family. It's not right, it seems to me. You have to agree. All the time he likes to brag, and at his wife he'll always nag. Down to his level he will drag her poor foolish hag. No wonder her feelings sag. Suddenly, with no time lag, she's become a limp wet rag. So pathetic she. My sisters married sissy little boys. Each one makes a very different noise. One must prepare every meal, the other one has no appeal. This is not how it should be. What a shameful family. It's not right, it seems to me. Surely you agree. Married life, abomination. She's in total domination. An imperfect combination. Relationship with constipation. Lacking all consideration. She'll not get exoneration for her lifestyle aberration. Egotistically. My sisters married sissy little boys. Each one makes a very different noise. One must do the laundry, the other one's just ordinary. This is not how it should be. What an abysmal family. It's not right, it seems to me. I know you agree. He is lacking all male pride. His dignity has long since died. This household cook, his brains are fried. His eggs have no sunny side. Never once he ever tried. In his dreams he's not defied her, his tyrannical bride. Egotistic she. My sisters married sissy little boys. Each one makes a very different noise. One must wash up all the dishes, the other one is inauspicious. This is not how it should be. all agree. The bully enjoys his harassing, but only women take his thrashing. Confront him, then tears he's passing, he's embarrassing. The wimpy one is even worse. My brothers-in-law are just a curse, not real men, quite the reverse, so appallingly. My sisters married sissy little boys, though each one makes a very different noise. Between the two there's no picking, they're different but they're both chicken. This is not how it should be. What a ridiculous family. Both men just like any clouts. Glad my family threw me out, so from my life I